Hey everybody, Thomas here. Just thought I'd do another quick update. I got some interior carpeting for the Datsun. Gonna make the inside look a little bit nicer. And I thought I'd share that with you guys today. So I got an unboxing here. I got, see that's focused. I ordered this from CarDepot. In the meantime, here's what the inside of the car looks like. Not too bad. I have floor mats from my old Corvette that I had. I don't have the little diamond vinyl stuff installed in here. So I got to pull the seats out, pull out the center console to get access to everything to lay the carpeting down. You can see the back here is just the bare metal, etc., etc. So we're going to make this look better today. Here we go. So I did the entire unboxing on film, except I didn't hit record, so I didn't really do it on film. I was talking to myself. Anyway, so I will walk you through all of the pieces real quick that I got, and we'll do an after the unboxing. So here we go. We got some installation tips came with it, a little diagram of all the pieces. There went the hatch. Kind of laying out where they all go, it looks like. And so there's a couple surprises. This one here, this piece here, I did not expect. And that looks like it takes the place of the little diamond plate, or the diamond vinyl stuff that I had removed from the car when I was pulling it all apart. It also replaces these panels that go just inside the door, like the kick plate. So that's kind of cool. I'm not sure which look I'm going to like better. So we've got this. This is here we go. This piece here goes inside the kick plate area. And then we've got the entire cargo area. Got floor mats. We've got behind the seats, down the back by the little storage bins. So it seems to be an extremely complete kit. Carpeting, it's not super thick. There's padding here, which I believe is I need to use a spray adhesive, contact spray adhesive, to get this to attach on the inside. So we'll see how that goes. I should read the instructions. They might even say. But before I get too far, I have to take out the seats and the center console and empty out a couple other things. So let's get to that. Got the puzzle figured out. Got a driver's side floor mat, passenger side floor mat. These go underneath the seats. These go behind the seats. There's two of those. This guy goes along the inside of the kick plate, sill plate. I don't know what it's called. This little area right here. This goes over the center console, or under the center console, and this goes in the back of the hatch. And of course, there's this little narrow guy for the passenger side. Passenger side and driver's side are different. You can see in the little diagram here, maybe you can't, this guy's got an extra notch on the driver's side, and these other seat belt here, and then the seat support, seat belt, seat support, but no notch. So this guy's got seat belt, seat support, and this little notch here. I think that's just for the footrest. And everything else, driver's side floor mat has the extra padding. For your feet, your heel to rest on as you're mashing the gas. And there you go. I'm going to start sticking it all inside. Stand by. Alright, so real quick. It suggested putting all the small carpets in first. But I did that and then realized that this thing that goes over the center console here, or the tunnel, that needed to go in first because it has all these unfinished edges. And these have finished edges, so these need to go on top of it. Two things about installing this: I had to take the seat belt off, and then really kind of needed to take the emergency brake lever off, parking brake. But I didn't want to do that today, because that's going to be a big pain in the ass. So we're going to have to adjust and kind of work with it. Seems like it fits okay, needs some trimming here and there. This little cutout should be a little bit farther forward. But all in all, I'm fairly pleased with it. So that's the passenger side complete. I chose not to install these yet because I still need to get whatever it is, the little plate replacement for this here. So I don't really have anything to hold the carpeting in against this. So we're going to hold off on that for today. More to come. Alright guys, just thought I'd do a quick kind of in progress. It's not really very exciting. I would have recorded me installing it, but it's really just, you know, setting this down and positioning it. It's not really very complicated. This needs to be tucked a little bit better under the console here. But otherwise, I'm just going to let it kind of get in place and be comfortable with it where it is, and then try to fiddle with it a little bit more. But yeah, there's the back, passenger side. Driver's side obviously doesn't have a seat yet. Here's the view from the hatch. I think it looks pretty nice. Go ahead and close the hatch. All in all, it went in pretty well. The fit isn't too awfully bad. A couple things just are a little bunched up in spots. But yeah, it sits in there pretty nice. So all in all, pretty happy with it. I think I mentioned earlier that I got this from CarDepot. I will include the link down below. If you guys have carpet sets from a different manufacturer or different source and you like them, feel free to comment, let me know why, and maybe we can share. And there we go. I've already gotten the floor mat dirty with my dirty sneakers. Interior is in. She looks good.